Hi, my name is Muhammad Daniel and I'm from Group 3. So, in this video, we will show how to demonstrate type of resistor and terminals.
Hi, I am Nick. So, before we start our experiment, I'm gonna show you guys how to make zero adjustment to get our reading more accurately. First thing first, set the multimeter to on measurement. After that, touch both negative and positive probe. Last but not least, use zero adjustment knob to adjust the needle to zero so that we will get an accurate reading. So let's start our experiment. Assalamualaikum, hi, my name is Nick. I'm gonna show you guys how to identify which leg is collector, base and emitter for 2N222 transistor. Let's go! Firstly, turn the multimeter ratio to the ohm ratio. Next, find which one of those three legs are the transistor base leg. We know that this diode is NPN type because of the base leg is on the red wire probe. So, base leg is on the middle. After find out base leg, we have to find collector and emitter leg. Since this transistor is NPN type, collector should be shown reading when red probe is touched, while emitter will show no reading, which is 0 ohm, when black probe is touched. For more confirmation, collector leg will show infinity reading when we touch red probe to the collector leg, which is at the right leg of that transistor, while emitter is on the left one. So that's it, guys. Bye bye.
Hi, my name is Daniel. This is BC107 transistor terminals. Okay, so first we need to start by setting the multimeter to the R extend range. Okay, next we need to find the base. First, we need to place the red probe on the one pin and then the black probe on the other two, one at a time. If you get a low resistance reading with the red probe on one pin and black on the other two, okay, that is the base. Okay, next, to identify collector and emitter. First, we need to switch multimeter to RX10K range and then place the black probe on one of the remaining pins and the red probe on the other. And then you need to take note the resistance reading. After that, reverse the probes and check again the resistance reading. A higher resistance reading indicates black is collector and red is emitter.
To identify the BD135 transistor terminals, start by setting the multimeter to the R times 10 range. Test each pin by placing the red probe on one pin and black on the other two, one at a time. The pin that shows low resistance to both other pins when the red probe is on it for NPN or black probe is on it for PNP is the base. Then to distinguish between collector and emitter, switch to the R times 10K range. Leave the base unconnected. Place the black probe on one of the remaining pins and the red on the other. The higher resistance reading indicates black is collector and red is emitter.
Okay, now I'm going to organize the type of resistor, which is PNP type or NPN type. Start with take a positive probe to left leg resistor and negative probe to another leg, and we check the reading. After that, we do it again to another leg. Next, we take the positive probe to another leg of resistor and take negative probe to another leg and check the reading. If the reading show you an infinity reading, that means that leg is base for that resistor.